Hey, let me show you how you can transfer photos, videos, and basically all data from your Samsung A36 5G into your PC. First of all, you will have to start by connecting cable into your PC and also into your phone. You can use a USB-C, double USB-C cable, or USB-C into USB-A. If you have this notification, just select allow for this phone data access. But also you will have to open your notifications and select this one, USB for file transfer, and click to tab for other USB options, and you have to be sure that you select this one to get the transferring files like this. Or for example, you can use transferring images. And right now you will have to just go into your PC right now. So you will have to open your PC or File Explorer. You will have to go into your PC for sure. Then open your A36 5G. And as you can see right here, you can find the internal storage. So you'll have to open it. And now it looks the same in both ways. So if you want to put photos right here or move them from your phone into your PC, the photos, for example, you will find in the DCIM folder or in the movies folder. So you can go for the camera, screen recordings, screenshots, or custom folders that you have created on your gallery application in the Samsung. But here, as you can see, you can find everything. So let's say that I want to pick this photo, for example. So I'm gonna click and hold. I'm gonna click with the right mouse button right now, and I'm gonna select to copy this. Then I'm gonna go into my desktop. I'm gonna click with the right mouse button, and I'm gonna select this and paste. And as you can see here, I have my photo on my PC. And if I want to do this in the second way, then it looks the same. So you have to select the file that you want to transfer, or you can also drag this file like that and copy. And you can replace or do not copy. That's basically it.